So Stevie gets to 38, and here we go.
Garrett
Reynolds.
Oh, catch bar 360 down.
Twice around with the handlebars.
Magic bars is what they were saying at first when Garrett came onto the scene in park events, and he just has the ability to throw the bars at any time, any place, and get it done. 540 to fakie there.
And look, we talked about this earlier. No pressure for him. It's not a contest in his mind. He's just out there having a session with his friends. You see the smile on his face.
A lot of riders say that. When Garrett says it, I believe it. He just looks like a guy out riding. Tire ride down to whip out. Like he did in prelims, but way cleaner. Feeble. Bar spin 180 out. This run is dialed. Once he got to finish it off.
Bar spin to 180 out of that manual.
And just so clean.
Tail whip over that wedge to wedge gap, and there you go.
I apologize if I get giddy on air.
He had a couple of slip-ups in his heat. Wow, whoa. Stevie got a 40.
It did not change the outcome, but no. Wow, what a way. That feels great for your last score to, your last run to be your highest score, and you're finishing it off with a medal. And now we got Garrett Reynolds. We still have Chad Curley to put in a run afterwards. He's going to want to bump up his overall finish, but just everyone knows this, I think. If you hear the applause out there in the riders, and again, for a guy to represent street royalty in BMX, you couldn't have a better guy. He's always looking out for his friends. He's just happy-go-lucky, riding because he loves it. And we talk about the short list of people that have won golds in certain different events. There's no list. There's no list in street. There's just a dynasty, a Reynolds dynasty. It's amazing. I mean, this one is a little less dramatic than the last one because he didn't have to pull it out in his last run. But you can't change the fact that just Garrett, year in and year out, proves he is the best. And that's just, we're not just talking contest.
Garrett's got an 82 total. Now, Chad's not out. I mean,